Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to use the AI chat feature in Microsoft Edge browser. So let's get started. So first thing, just come into the home tab of the Edge browser, and here rightmost top you will be having this copilot icon. Select this, and here we will be having an interface where we can ask any questions. So here we can simply ask our questions, and we can even like upload images, files, screenshots, anything. So this can be used as a chat interface quite similar to chat GPT, and we can even input with the voice also apart from typing. And another one, we are having a way to change the type of response or the model that is being used. So if you click on this, here we are having multiple ways. One is we are having the search feature, and next is we are having the smart GPT-5, and we are having the study and learn, which is good in getting quiz guided learning and stuff. And we are having think deeper and quick response. So the difference is straightforward. Quick response directly gives you, it doesn't think, and think deeper is it's better for complex tasks because it's going to think for a while. So depending upon the type of response you want, you can simply like change it based upon your use case. So this is the normal AI chat, okay? So let's say I want to ask any questions on a particular tab. So for example, here I'm having a Wikipedia tab, okay? So what if I want to ask questions based upon this particular website? So you can just simply click on this plus icon, and we are having add tabs. So this will show all the tabs that are currently opened in my Edge browser. So I'm having the YouTube studio over here, and another one is my Wikipedia page. So I can just select multiple tabs and select add tabs. So now if I ask any question, it will have the context of this particular web page. So if I'm having any doubts over here, I can simply ask, or I can simply ask to summarize this page. So here you can see I'm having a brief summary of this web page. So that's cool. And apart from this, let's say I'm having a doubt on a particular paragraph. So in that case, what you can do is simply you can highlight this. And here we are having the ask copilot option. So if I click it, so that highlighted portion will be coming over here. And now copilot will explain it to me. So it just explains the context over here. So that's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.